Daily habits that make you a successful online seller. Beginner to Pro Guide. Success in online selling is not about luck or talent, it's about daily habits. You don't need to work all day. You need to do the right things consistently. In this video, I'll share the daily habits that successful online sellers practice, even if they started as beginners. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. Habit number 1. Start your day with a plan. Successful sellers don't wake up and guess what to do. Daily actions. Check orders and messages. Review tasks for the day. Set 1 to 3 priorities. A simple plan keeps you focused and productive. Habit number 2. Check your numbers every day. What you don't track, you can't improve. Daily metrics to review. Sales, profit, expenses, inventory levels. You don't need complicated reports, just awareness. Habit number 3. Improve your listings regularly. Successful sellers constantly improve. Simple improvements. Update titles. Improve product photos. Optimize descriptions. Small improvements compound over time. Habit number 4. Learn something new daily. Online selling changes fast. Daily learning ideas. Watch a short tutorial. Read seller updates. Study competitors. Even 15 minutes a day keeps you ahead. Habit number 5. Take care of customer experience. Customers are the foundation of your business. Daily habits. Respond to messages quickly. Handle issues professionally. Maintain good seller metrics. Good service builds trust and repeat buyers. Habit number 6. Review and fix problems quickly. Successful sellers don't ignore problems. Examples: low-performing listings, inventory issues, negative feedback. Fixing small problems early prevents bigger issues. Habit number 7. Consistent action, even when motivation is low. Successful sellers show up, even on hard days. Examples: listing one product, sending one shipment, learning one new thing. Motivation comes and goes, discipline stays. Habit number 8. Take care of yourself. You are your most important asset. Daily self-care, rest, proper meals, balance work and family. Burnout kills businesses faster than competition. Success is built one day at a time. If you focus on the right habits, results will follow. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below which habit you will start today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.